Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
For all what God have done for us, I was here than I say. Beautiful Tuesday morning. I call by the Ahenkan 93.3 of it. Because I want to say, only you. Music from Celestine Donko, and I love this song. That is why I asked Shabu to repeat the song for me. Maybe I can say, you share your maybe a name upon. Any problems in Kitibia? A 2 year no, I don't call prison. Some problem now, you see a film, but then yet, a young couple of Roma. You want some Makumi and Nubia, a 2 obia, and a money and Nipani Huno. Sassam at all, but then I won't know what free. Then I make country will be saying. That down for you. Then a year and I see any tea and a year. And you saw ya rich, or see me tea me ya, or could die and one sorry. But don't say, no, sometimes you teach me your pan, severe headaches. Or cough was you could touch JB Donne, Parania, the area. Now, what? What was sound who say, I then won't quan and go pon or dog saying. Sati Pina, the Obi Aqua Samando. Sati Pina a toa, what the para 1 CD pet and a jail home. A Yankopona da Roma. Kana Obi Tremor, and then a copy mono. Saquine of Fasono. Also for Saquana, so a coy Esabai, Bonibianto. A Yankopona Roma. See, yes, sorry, no pa. And yes, it can be a Yankopon de Beguya Butom. And no one a chassis. Yes, one of Pedia was said, and I say, Radia. Your bompire be a Sresica. Now, that Roma, they are my intin as that and come out, baby. Sometimes, what testimony should base on. Oh, sorry, no pano. Oh, who says I don't suck out here. What don't suck out in fact, movie into Yankopon, I be a mouth. Because Endra Yami and Yaya Kodai, but I don't pay. Obia the one sorry. Banga Sakra wouldn't time Andra. Enough our coy. And now we are. And now we are being so sad. I know was sorry, or Benjamin, and our Quajuma. Obi question a bush. Some swarm soon of you. Adanya one complaint so yare. She no. And no one saw Kodaya the Chia. One sorry. We owe it all to God. Whatever we have, and Kwabia enjoy and be It's because Yankopon de Adom ye. And see a testimony no. Ye dia na ye di say. Asadan kan Yankopon so de kan. Achase for ho so ene 93.3 of FM. Adwuma no wasugu so out. In case you just tune in, FM Abrante Park up in the coasty. Wait my friend Jibru's money. By my government's name. Ejeni me champion boat in the cosmos. Snam di kan wait my friend Jibru's money. Abrante Park the perfect gentleman. And I say Kobina Coast. Say my new name. Future Creative Art and Tourism Minister. Alright, so today happens to be the 7th day of the month June. It's exactly 41 minutes after 10 here inside the studios of the Queer Frakoma. My first like I say, and Komami production team, Mr. Charles, and not to pan here the first, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, Kobe K, and a DJ Homework. Maybe I will show you be if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak ever F1, break me point man. You speak Awazaya de Fra Laone. You speak Grushi Kreta is my quad, your fancy won't today. If you speak Swahili, habari yako. Oya chimuni ya mepacho won't say. We are sure to be able to be she near there. And find checkers and come on taxi driver for you now. We are taxi driver, Michiano pay. Truck driver Michiano. Brad Devi, Apasco, Raouf, MP3, Stagger, Obama, Obatampa Jonathan, Bright Weezy, Obofika, Ricardo Netango. You see, I didn't know one Miami Humbi Cram Pumbo and Kaibi Cram. Amos, also a taxi driver. Amos, and You've done it before. I send it for you in any. No permit chow. Berman Quine, Salum the Gambia, Mr. Oben, rejoice if you are being. The Chobi Biado Fili at Ahenkan 93.3 of FM. But wait, man, don't show the live on Facebook. Wait, man, don't show the live on Facebook. Evangelist Ngosra Bismarck. I no permit chow. First message number now. I'll be sending me a fast 0594 841044 0594 841044. See, sometimes you don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Yakopani or something on Tissanipa, baby. Was Adwuma. Aya or maybe soon as no. Baby, I have a cancer say we. Tell me on, I love God for one reason. Say me catch on your man. Your name was still now you look okay. Those are Yakopon at the ankle. I feel you. Oh, see, I don't pay what to say. The grandma. I don't pay whose eye is looking too beautiful. Alright, Mama motivational message in the GV. I'm live on Facebook 93.3 of FM. Good morning.
Thank you.
Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning into Kwabna Kwesti.
Possibilities specialist, that is your name.
Thank you. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Your name carries weight, weight of the world. If you do not, your name carries weight. Jehovah Nisi, El Gibo, Timye Junyami, Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nisi, El Gibo, Timye Junyami, life promoter, destiny changer.
So 50 minutes after 10, music of Sir Godwin He calls this one Dimiye Dunyame.
Great times.
Dimiye Dunyame. Right, I'm not to say my daily dose of motivation. So we shall on crown pay now pay. I have to ask for no pay on. Fans of Kotukura House. So we were speaking to Kofi Steven, the maestro Kofi Steven. I don't know the reason why I'm a fan of maestro. So when he comes to the studio, I'll ask him, maestro, maestro, they say you didn't get to. So when he comes, I'll ask him why people call him maestro. The Kofi Steven is our guest today on 93.3 FM. Adwuma. Stay tuned. Right, Yamao. The daily dose of motivations. Young Crash yourself. Our daily dose of Uncranshe. Fashion Koto Dream. Now, so Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And also, as you know already, I'll maybe I can't see Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. We bring you motivational message. And for all your wedding photographies, birthdays, photographies, in fact, general event photographies near the you go to Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Open Tadia Papa Pans, why you be an embroidery with the amount there, a chance on the show dingo in my school for Mutiemi, Jumeko, Madame, say, Mutiemi, I said, for some young Tadia de Ma, school Qualano, and I hairdresser, away, Madame, at the Pemway, Madame, Open Socky and Tadia come upon the Mount Qualana, Miss Low, for Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, and Chomodini 90 pound for good chilling in the Munina Mamma. Watch Madame Liberty, up seats, Knop Pharmacy, fellow 0245276638, 0245276638. Bitifu ame honya for granadier. Sheva camera. Bitifu ano ma seminana. Meka seminana honya fu. But talking about your daily dose of motivations. This is from Lady Gaga. Yeah, the legendary Lady Gaga. We all know her, right? Lady Gaga. Right, so she says, do not allow people to dim your shine because they are blinded. Tell them to put on some sunglasses. Yeah. Do not allow people to dim your shine because they are blinded. Tell them to put some sunglasses on. This is from Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Yeah, so those of us who have been listening to music from God knows how long. This is one woman you've loved and cherished so much, like growing up listening to music and stuff. Right, you know, this is what she's saying. What's it? Emma won't quite ma enipa endum okania. Emma won't quite anas Emma nipa endum okania no anama nipa endum ade papa bi ekura so omu hu ade ni ya ka cho mo so mpa bi function no mo hwe na ma mencha wase one say sometimes one start to me show there for transit na wa drop plan bi one say ade we dem tu ho na mo be bo me papa ade we dey discover bre me ade we dey yedi mpunto we bre me. But the moment you discuss with a friend, the moment you discuss with someone, Charlie, I did the Ubia, you be many. Or I did the we crash us and the Cossis and Uncle Koyabi. Won't never say a joke. Oh, show them now drop plan. Who say, a yadeba wow. Who say, idea would be 2 and number 1. And then for so brebe, sorry, a idea. Just say, a moose ran about Dawson, a sofa froso. And one hour show them now plan here, and now whom at the papa be free with the abba. Sometimes it's me transit. We see things from a far distance. There was another these things will help us, and then for so breaking and a front so. But the moment you discuss with a friend, and I know people didn't come on, not sometimes not even a friend though. It was your name po. Now our rubbish at the end. Now what I said there be at the end wow. Now Lady Gaga is saying a man won't quite my son for and say we plan on. Won't quite now show them now future in whatever you've planned. And they say obi one pe bibi she no hu ade kroni ye. Because when I would take position I would know. Who ade different. And na baby on so te no ohun ni ye enti ebe ya on twin ben baby a wo no ohun ade ni ye ana se on pe baby mfa what in common as it empeni for baby o mu say baby a peni be gina obehu ade na akwala tenten so gina esie so kura ohun ana me bo say sa na te right enti baby a wo gina ohun ade no ebi a wo nua no wadanfo no ohun ade ne sa enti obebu abem because onu ohun mfaso e wa de kuro no mu ohun how long ade kuro no betimi akọ na benefiting nkofo ohun ye enti sa wo ma wo kwan ma ne dimi sa shine na ebe how pa was ono no ha no because ono no baby what no ohun mfaso de wa de kuro no mu wo na we hu enti mema ho kwan ma saafo no emma wa bra bom de bia na mo nka enne pa wo nhye omo nka de papa wo nhye. This is coming from Lady Gaga. Se nipa ni hu ya ane nkopem me space bi nhye nkopem de media so de mu ye clip a me hwe okay mu ye clip my fine boy eti me share Facebook a me hu se me hu ade ye pa. Alright, so 93.3 FM, this is our daily dose of motivations, and it's coming from the legendary Lady Gaga. ODI Electronics. And the member office, no me who down, no be about the table top fridge. Hey, come make us a table flat fridge. Can the boy boom your room? Me ba na 2 women no more down, na ba jom table top. Le pacho omoni ajia amozi ina we na ne bo afo saje fi saji o na say you are talking about ODI Electronics no man bo afo le pacho so pe fridge ato abrafia bebre wa ha ope table top ope double decker ope deep freezer ope da e wakra chi akolomia o ba benye bi ato washing machine blenders gas cooker lingi na bi wa Ahenkan FM fi ha ya ODI Electronics no man so ne bo afo pa utimi ntwa ne bumu so a wo ba payment plan e wo ho piano installment nkete kopem so betwe we 0550900600 0550900600 oba okoto ba fo no bedi nkomo ansenso nkofo yare ane omo mpensu pa bi no na yare asa na nkofo agi atena mo ho mama ho kwa na yare ena me soma obi so nkoto nsu mbre me na nse wo fridge masa akwa ne ko wa ya nsu obi atro ho PCK then people need them say the Arabic and say just say untimi mbodi no me show some you Ghana every say if Tokyo me say Chinese for handwriting PCK QWTA just alphabet near the fra say boss 1 2 3 baby ade ma hije wodo Mr. You so we be there no copy standard the brem Opa so per standard mineral water. I say nipa no small so per standard. Sanya standard a oji de sika. Okono ni bia me pacho Jimmy sika bre me. Compesa. I don't put any water in my fridge, Mr. Unless a standard. Me pacho ko per standard mineral water to. Ebe boa na ofe yare nkiti bia so tima twe ho afiri. Nsu a wono e na kire yare a opema ho. No standard. Atwe ho fi yare nkiti bia nsem. Tino sa uti ma no pe uti taxi mo na u penso ma kacha driver se driver mpacho gina me pe standard bi nom standard mineral water o pe bi etu akoton afre 0547334385 0547334385 na 0245666274 standard mineral water me filiwo ibuza oba mixture police ni edro papa samra ne ankofo bone de ajowa check hwe opesa wonya hoden mapa wonya hoden de ko Adwuma so wonya hoden de yenwa nketinkiti bi a kire se yare kra hu obeso ave opesa boost immune system no na de bi o my alert yare bi aba mbebo no VIP pa away ati aze so ibuze wa be sha number 1 immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease and malfunctions that affect the body. It's your call air pharmacy says here na kope police ni edro 0246 208496 0246 208496 na 0540710113 na just say pele for bajo so Mama boy ne ade seahorse engine oil. Seahorse engine oil. Me hwe se ne alolo fa ne kwana nsen e wose me sa kofa me ka ne baby o. So this one, I had a conversation with the taxi driver, your friend Amos. I said, "Bro, man, give me my me want a voice. I said, "Omon person mo be for car the cry." Hey, I said, "Bo, omon person mo be for car the cry." I told her of I need to get my car back on the road. And send a car on me the quiet swap, you know. But you see what I think I need to change the engine oil. The best engine oil there, Joe, a seahorse engine oil, and I'm the best sign. Then Copebo Cabia, the mechana, most recorded that. Ever out it, now boys that for. It's not ready now, as my engineer now, what in the Amasobashi. If I'm a catch up, say don't mind the engine, say don't mind the body, right? Mind the engine. My mechanic don't mind the body. Engine in there, because me so proper engine oil, a seahorse engine oil. But just which you are our private car, or a taxi driver. Open engine oil there 15W40 and a 20W50. Uchimoto Pragia Aboboya with special 40 seahorse special 40. Come be a ton air engine oil be our power say your mouth seahorse engine oil. Nanko Tobo Kabia Rebi Mechanic and Mejitum. Say that year about boy engine there one day. Papa a best have a road. A best see road in Anziana mobile say yes. Maybe at your 0244 577-559 0244-577-559 and 0240-800-007 0240-800-007 93.3 FM some 2 minutes after 11 you did time kakra but yanko break right ba Kofi Steven it's our guest right here on 93.3 FM yaba sisia
ye your mama ye ti Ghana et ye pese ye ti Ghana nsem ye pa manyo sem ensem a ACCA ensem a etwagu ensem a ekotwi ko breman ne efa ye ho amanyo sem a ekoso mekire se ye pese ye ti the latest news na ye nso ye de ya no tum ye ka bie amanfoi anunti na Ahenkan 93.3 FM the best in the east ya hihye dwumadi a ye friend the boiling issue ensem uhuru say pra the boiling issues e wa Ahenkan 93.3 FM the best in the east ya de bramo ye woda bia anwumre no nwotwe kan 8 pm ya hyase kosi anaju nondu entity bia the boiling issues obobo fori amanfo betena dwom na ensem ahuru se pra no ya ka nani breso ye ka manwesem ensem a esisie ye fa ye mpotam ho ye fa nkrofo ho ne ye be ye be ka ni nyina ye ka na so aka bi the boiling issue Ahenkan 93.3 FM the best in the east.
Anobites here, Drobi, and Mississippi, I may ye, and so men no anobites no. Abuame,
I don't know Manumbi. I'm a twice in Tinimuna and I treat me. I treat me by name, which is Shimmy, said the Yamia Domina, a giant.
Madrono Abuame Papa, na Leneme Compoma, and through 1 minute, Namwamba, Menum, one bottle, to say me no da, better 10 minutes to Madrono de Yepa, San Fabra more.
we did the Amesa, you are anobites, Economy Castle, Abuame Pa, Namisi, Nayamian, and Betonomia, and Ramenomoya, a copy Bia, Cocamakama, the same meeting, Boy,
your friend Abdul Jalil Shaibu. Naname wo how bia se me ne me yere ehia mu a sesia na me ho asani me. E ma me tumrika ekoto obi. Me no me ye no yare no akọ.
Asa no bi tese no de do fa ase bi sie ne ya to ya nso no me ni na akọ. Me ka tere wo bi o no ma no bi tese ne ya do fa e be boa na ma ne yare bi o no bia.
Enroi se wu koto bi atoni me no bom. Atimoda Kennedy Drugstore, Nkoko Isaac Pharmacy, New Abraham Charles Mensah Drugstore.
Pajo, would the ben no ya de yekuya woni mu pa na mpese oboa me. Me nuama manum se de yekuya no wafa to ohun so. Ba kwa do brufu na ba ko so do beans ne watermelon. Ade wado abuofo no emua bi rewe na hahan ni ntia ma na so ayehye.
Oba enkasa kra. Fasem ni si hwa. Bon Agro Company Limited. Ghana hawana wajidi wa agrochemicals mu. Okofa nrobia baba kwa fena we. Obi abedobro fu no kai se. Emu bi otise esa. Yeah from Follow Me Worms no. Ebi betimi abem. Endidi ka kope away. Edre fena we no. Wo display so a Follow Me Worms. Asem bi o mahabro fu no. Ebi timi si wa fu mu da. So obi ado watermelon anase beans. No opedu ade be spray so ma asupo so pa. Ya friend knockout. Wo betimi ayusu nre nyina bom. Betimi ayusu away ni knockout ni nyina bom. Na say bura bebuo no wudimi. Say beans abati beans sa. Watermelon so baba kese mu wani age. Say okwani bia peso odobrofuo. Anase beans ana watermelon. Wodi ka kope away and knockout bi. Awo ba bia ya to agrochemicals. Na ni gisem ne say eyema koko ni cashew papa. If you say no etimi akate ni ate. Ana mo bia ya sai cashew ani koko. Enti koko akuafo, cashew akuafo, mo amodobro, mo amodo watermelon ni beans. Bon Agro Company Limited. Wabedomo pa. Di campaign range na bi asan wadofo no. So person bi sa semi fast and re ho a. 0243 900 562 0243 900 562.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment se de si enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni enwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre ko pa bie de se ekro na agu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Honam na ni baabia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Enu anu se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wode classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na behu se yes, ointment papa bi o baabi.
Me the classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
Ane titru, wohene na herbal koforidua. Frisia baako and Sons Kumasi Edu. Urepash herbal Okaishi Accra. Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agye ejwedi nkrato yato.
Woka tu wisi unia na uswe winji mutututu ya brepeyon enyeize but thank God unia sesi adie all is over. Legacy Engineering Services amaye kasa back to order. The masters nankasa in all automobile works. Ka ho problem pia. In fact, every corner for your motor inside where it develop fault. Legacy Engineering Services go put your car to scan, scrutinize, and catch the problem. And Sanoma service car no dito. Some be ye engine overhauling in part. Jemau guarantee answer. Omi ye gudo e ban engine tune up. Kanu engine mu nya wode. E twitwini mu anase sound ne nya papa. Omu be ye ne kama. Car see dwuma bia omu ye ne perfecto. Some service wu ABS system brakes in failure with that. Electronic power steering system. Omu ye good. Jack, so gearbox no problem about one. Legacy Engineering Services Adwuma pa no. Enti company cars akesie ne nkitwa nyina. Omo services. Omo sansu training apprentice for to be professionals. Omo the 3 GSE training with ye how are you the computer. Eje mechanic Adwuma professional way. Akim order audit service chire hwa ube hu omo. Ananso frɛ 0244 023 410 or 020 190 3411. Legacy Engineering Services. Quality cars needs quality services.
Minuanum akuafo ye mammo ani adwuma o enchei efri Jakwako Enterprise eko de makuafo nyina Jakwako se we kofa bai enti wode manual seed planter machine de free amanane de aba enti wana wo ye kuadwuma bi te se enkate adua emo enkruma bro kakumba anase aduade de bi adua ne fombia manual seed planter machine ebedua de ama wa ahohare so kra e wo simakoto bi entem na bebo ho ban so efri sisiade efise enhu hia so bekuntum ansan wadua sa aduade de okuani a wo ye amufu na adu pepenso apesa woten Jakwako se branche na oma motorized rice harvester na faten asundwem kra na negisem kra no se wasa wo net ho a obetimi dia bo emo no ho ban se de beye enoma anasa aboa bia entimi ense eye amufu na waye no Jakwako asan awoso no biem entimi nuanom a moye kokofu na mo pese kokoo no eso eye pi na aba no so eye akese no bra beje koko set buffalo super asista star gali yara sasira kokoo aduane NPK fertilizer banjo 40 enu edua hodo pi na eba beboa ayi akate ate isa nya koko anonom afiri ho na no pa nyina so Cocoa Research Institute of Ghana ene Ghana Cocoa Board age atum bra na ene ebidi kaso bom a efa planting for food and jobs ho na mfasode pii ewo yesan ewo manual fertilizer applicator machine so ewo ho enti menu anoma amapesa mde fertilizer egu mu fudie asia mde ye mudwumadie beje manual fertilizer applicator machine na mfasode ewo mbebre Jakwako Enterprise bra na wo maun aba ye didua eye entos moko jene ene ahodo bebrebe yesan wo asekan wo ho afide kafo volunteer boot ene fidie ahodo bebrebe tapehwe Jakwako Enterprise wo new edibiase obehu ye wo Ghana Commercial Bank edan no echi mechere first bar stop adanse fum so ye wo Islamic Mosque ehwa asen da man so ye opposite agric office adanse asopan so ye wo ademre kwan so abra de wo nature eye oboase no aye opposite Presby Church kaso anso obehu ye new market road mechere eye Coca-Cola ene nkasa wo 0243335525 ana 0272736003
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are the mameno. My boy, you man passwama. Me yira come for me say.
Big man capsules, no. What do you do 3 points one puzzle?
Enya grow ya.
Send me catch you. Big man capsules, dear, a year do pa. A year memma who you may ye titru. And a bema why ye mirror one puzzle. Bear man hunkwamwasa. And in yen sisieni ya. Nakai say do pay a ye fine care limited. Omudik bedema garlic mixture. Any big man capsules. A big gaso. Nakai say bedema garlic mixture no ye do po. A drono sa stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obia mojentimin dinu mwafrisani ye. De waya titriti. Nye wanya koma ya dear. Nye ne boshishino. Ye ne tirimu shishino. Ene nye wasu pesa na sutie. Bedema garlic mixture no besani nya no wenyi na man. Bedema garlic mixture eye the only mixture prakase wom. Ubenye nro yibiato ewo pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops nyina.
Achim oda ubenya biwo oda pharmacy na nachumesi drugstore, Kenop pharmacy, Ofaya drugstore, Amoafo drugstore, Walgreen pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nana Chumesi Heba Shop.
To phone fresh 0248 288 788. With the Magalic mixture, any big man capsules, Edu Panunie.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep pinti. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esiomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you may move bia your toe in row. At to phone fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia ehwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni Call Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na edia ba de na wo ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila wohu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Bani wo mo nioma no ubenye bia to wo Kumase Takra de Tamale ho Sunyane Nkoko Wabuase Boga Odan Ghana Commercial Bank Enedi Enemushe Se wo penido so pomotua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road Hwankasa na factory no esie
Mame number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
Medofo na nso mudin ni body say
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited
ja me dru ho sesia.
Hello. Uofa, Mekot Health College a wo ma me ko yenti. Enne, me ye medicine counter assistant. Mani agiye. Ampo, se wo pese wo ye medicine counter assistant dia. Enne na Mekot Health College ana wo bekọ. Wo ye medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ye reschooling so ma woni a wawie MCA. Nanso woni pharmacy council certificate. Na dia ma wonda so ne se. Pharmacy council Ghana agi woni atum. Na ye ma free IT training so eka ho. Admission gusu a ekoso. Mansenka forms, ye were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ye were Dakwan so, Kaswanso, ye were Congo Villa, ewa New Market Bodia Sequano so. Ubenya forms in be ewa campus mienu yina. And I say, Mekot pharmacy shops are Hudwa, ewa Ghana Fanaibe Bia. Near 2 campuses in Yina so ewa hostel wo and to ni haukra. Na se wope in Rupanso dia. And yanako Mekot pharmacy, e hona ubenya nupa. Ghana, and yamonone die. Fre 0592 522 111. Ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, yes say, health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago Odanin important way. Munya so na me won sempe bi de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ni din abeye next baby diapers. Na wunim yasa hyemu kena ama ekọ nanim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade awramunti no. O the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign to home for. Ensanse bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma sensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na ne ho beto ni say form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Opedodo afre 0500 285000. Na monsha nenso ema amubu monsanso ye wo next sanitary pad ede mamo next baby diapers e mama fra hot so mo FDA afitwe sa edwede nkrato yi mo agye atum se eje.
I can't watch me fail. So anytime you pray, remember my name, remember you know what travel like. SCDJ Group of Companies, Apa, so Baba Boyen, na ye nema bebre. Ye wo, Adwuma Sewa Kitchen, Sebia wo ye event bi, na openuania. Ye abrofodie, sanso na Ghana nuane, ni nanu ye, enya nunko. Sebia wo ye event, na open nkrofo a ombe plani event no ede ama wo. Ye wo Adwuma Sewa event planning, ye betena se, na ye ho hwehwe kama ede ama wo. Enya nunko a, wo ye printing, photocopy, ICT training, e pacho book bi na waye. Na opese book no, ye cover achire ede ma wa. Poster bi na opese wo ye. Instant passport. Ni na no ye online registration ye betumi ayama wo and many more. O ye birthday now pay photo shoot and I say engagement awade bibia wo ye bia ayi no video ni na edema event bia wo ye bia SCDJ Group of Companies and ye betumi ay ye sign so I was sound system a edidi djumadie bia SCDJ Group of Companies ye wo aboabo bompaye ubetimi afra ye 0241 298773 and I say 0256587895 SCDJ Group of Companies. Yabamobia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Tell you what happened. You sing the mix. Brian, down the baby, yeah? Yes, say it. Man come in and mix Rangelina say yes I get any muka waka Adwani pata pata and pay you sentino say me to me Man come in and mix Rangelina say yes I get any muka Adwani pata pata and pay you sentino say me to me Angelina Cometo yeah just she very get sasa Macarena get my puga she go be Angelina Cometo just super look at Sansa. Macarena Kamapuka. She go me. Yeah, just super look at Sansa. Yeah, just come on the body. Macarena Kamapuka. She go me. Yeah, just super look at Sansa. Yeah, just come on the body. Macarena who can dance. She go me. Angelina Kuto. Sansa super in the Sansa. Macarena ni mapuka. She go me. Angelina Kuto. Sansa super in the Sansa. Macarena ni mapuka. She go me. Sansa super in the Sansa. Sansa go ni bae. Macarena ni mapuka. She go me. Sansa super in the Sansa. Sansa go ni bae. Macarena son the dancer. She go me. Angelina to me, Mr. Channel, so yes, I'll be round, merry go round, don't be shy, baby. Do some 2-3 steps to your back, front, and back. But a minute, girl, don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl, don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl, don't forget to put your underwear up when it's down. Now shake your belly left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Angelina Nkuto, Angelina Dokakwe. But to me was the woman is through, and I'm gonna die. Angelina Nkuto, Angelina Dokakwe. But to me was the woman is through, and I'm gonna die. Angelina Nkuto, Sasa Shibaruni Sasa, Macarena ni mapuka. She go me. Angelina Nkuto, Sasa Shibaruni Sasa, Macarena ni mapuka. She go me. Sasa Shibaruni Sasa, Sasa Kongo ni bae. Macarena ni mapuka.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Sasa Kongo ni bae. Macarena still the dance floor. She go me. Alright, yeah.
So Betty, Odo Pepper be Jimmy Horna, me say Beji. Tiwunti se bini ni leggings, the jeggings like I just shades from the family, so I'm a home tea. You could try to one never come she. I want them so better me why she. Now me ex girl be number rest in the dreams and me friend papu no me come she. Go Facebook, go share girl see, so share. Yes my promise say what can be popi. Today, yeah me put na be copy, yeah me do for no more pet. Fresh boy post. Jackie a piam punya obeche. Feel ya jai chiches. Drugging up for free no more yeah witches. Check it what's up, now me chow tickets. Bread for your missus, now me try me kisses. My yeshi, my yeshi. I want you to see my yeshi, my yeshi, my yeshi. I want you to see my yeshi. I'm a true mentia, be from mentia. What's that so him and ya gimentia? Bet you see you be so mentia. It's a great feel bedroom in Michelle mentia. We don't be a and yes Sophia. What time second tanker, and you be here. Magic will be so bad, I be a witch ya. And you will say the moon is a say that ya. Ya will have you, you can go. You so trim my son will be trim my mule. You said Ben memory won't may anymore. One of me petty brand, I'm a genius. I didn't get it about Ben at the morning. If you're back, man, I'm gonna me dem last power do well many akata. Cause I bet me am actually an master. It's in a mark of fashion near me. Remember when you are Obahema in Subani, Nanim Danin and Two, Etima Yanya, Brana Yanya no Moshe, Brana Yanya against for Nentana Yanshe, or that Tadena Yanshe, Young Warfare Nayanasi Yanshe, but to met you from Achimota to Lagos, the against for Nekani Yabugos, Obatukuros, but no Missy Yogurt, Makuma Yawadi and Timedone de Yabunos.
Radio Papa.
Right, so music of a Comavo. Domina be right. So let me read some couple of messages on Facebook. This one is from Esiedua Patricia. I say good morning, bro. Keep up with the good work. Call me the rap messiah, says Moshi. Juma is loud and clear. My own sister. Fiabim says I brand upon the perfect gentleman. And Kwame the blogger story says Juma is loud and clear. Keep moving high, say Kosti. Kakobonde says more fire, bro. Listening to you live in Akim Osinase. Malik MI says work and happiness. Alright, so I told you when we return from the break, Steven of Kotukura House is our guest. And guess what? The man is seated already in the studios of Ahenkan 93.3 FM. My boys conversation. That's it. This is boys. That's Alright, anyway, I'm calling my general manager. Anyway, my general manager saying, Tactics man says, good work, keep it up. Kofi Ose says, happy birthday to Kunedu Vida. Brian, hey, I can't mention this name, I beg. I said, good morning. Okay. Kofi Steven is in the house. Maybe I try to message for 0594841044. Whatever you want to ask the baller, yes, send them through. He's here. I'm a dear about clinic Sabra, Arabia, to be abandoned to us, typhoid, syphilis, hepatitis B, kidney problem. Watch him or down, boy, I won't find some ponzo. Or Red Cross Junction opposite of a green gas filling station from 0244877840 and 0205045665. Legacy Engineering Services of our Canabra. And I am wow, so overhauling tight show car de Jobra. Or a boy of a car sono at Tiapo. Adias, bra, problem be our name will be alone. For Canabra non service Canama. I can't enjoy answer. Come upon. Or watch him down behind the other service. 0244-026-3410 0244-023-410 na 0201-904311 Eba chobra na yem transforming wakano ko kwebeleza wakata time for corner fe yam wow SCDJ Group of Companies SCDJ Group of Companies watch my boy Bompai or Adom Lens Adom Sewa Adom Sewa Kitchens, Adom Sewa Event Planning, and Adom Sewa Sounds. Our phrase, you are Adom Secretariat Service. Eba Choba, never sort out. You know, oh, yeah, you're from. Open wedding planner. No about now for your sort out. 0241298273 02565878995. The man is in the house. If you find the showers on that TV, because of the now your vibe. Matissa, we are rapper. If you Matissa, apart from more, no South rap here, Yampa. Oh, been a mammy fly. Yes, so you're a rapper, Baza. I'm a boy. Sewa. If I trust with your voice, so he's here. Over to the message or question me up so Busani Biano 0594 841044 0594 841044 and I say ko Facebook ko share Ahenkan FM and I say ko Bena Costi on Facebook na fa message in the brand now for yendin come on haya Kofi Akwaba
Yeja
Bibi aboko there.
Na dum bibi aboko.
All right. Me ada was shirt no. Heel figure on.
Yeah.
My favorite brand no. Instead me yada no. Kofi chale bibi aboko.
Na dum bibi aboko.
Yeda jabiasi. And then now obi mama feel say your fro stabilize na nyante we say obodi bi sa.
Nagi.
Steven Nagi. Dendi. Ado unyagana ni o.
Myagana ni.
Na Nagi ne minted.
Oh, Niki bia me nya school.
Say Niki mom. Cause enya udi angaza. Udi angaza ngasa de say.
Stephen Kofi
say.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's Nagi then the why.
Football bia now Egypt.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm say can do it. I say go amodify can do it. Me say I think say.
Okay. It's now uncle for say what to say na say.
Me say go bia. Yes, trophy bisa.
Oh, okay. It was cool.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Now that is SHS.
Yeah, SHS.
Okay. Now coffee. Papa now free.
Okay, me mama here I been coffee Pando. Number Pafiko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's no you can hear 50-50.
Yeah, 50-50.
Okay. And also me so sa only me pay.
Oh, okay.
Miss me 50-50. Me so me mama here veteran and me papa here action. Pando nya no the hohoi KJB. Bini so ni mo sa KJB Asato ni honya matina open me chimpa. Charlie Batte pass open no that no go for ezi coffee pen no what hona onya hwea na wuti abo trick on here no me pa na open no me pa actually no me pa na wuti high life na wuti reggae na wuti hip hop na
me hip life but more of the rap no. Yeah.
It's Ghana has a mommy top 2 rappers.
For now they work for medical ni Amrado.
Poof. Coffee more shots here saying them.
It wasn't easy though, but I checked here. So me pick up from collaborating as a Vichin na. And me the be PM Accra.
Okay.
On mommy one sana Okokpando no. So me bokus wo. From there na me back to school. I go Kakara de Kobo second division.
Okay.
But third, and sana minya division 1.
Oh, okay. Okay. It is second division, third division. No, I fan ball.
Me bo second division third division Pando.
Okay. And sana oba. It is free Pando straight na border.
That be me body division 1 or who?
Oh, who?
Yeah, but na musku ansana na me bo.
Okay. It then ama unya kutokura as boy.
Na omo ye zone. Na omo coach na wo ho den no. Any player bia na o yi team to catch any so omo membra.
Sana obo na no when this guy comes over my to buy so far how is he stay here in Akimoda?
It has been good. Down there, what can I say? I say fear, if you any fear. I've been here for 5 years. Since I say, yeah.
5 years?
Yeah.
I just said, what about 5 seasons?
5 seasons. We come on 5 seasons.
Wow. So aside you, I don't know if any player been about 5 seasons.
Yeah. Mini Joe Barton about The same time, the same day.
The same day, the same time.
The same time.
Wow.
Me share station I mean nearby into it. So far the me about 5 years and other players who are about 5 years.
Right, it, you know, your 5 years in Akemodan here in Kotokura House, would you say that it has benefited you, like when you are some sort of be free in terms of your football career?
Yeah, because football are there. There's a day in day out, you know. The more I will born, the more I will get to know, the more I will improve. Because it have improved me a lot in terms of play, confidence, composure, baby, I know there. Because I improve you.
Right. So, what are some of the challenges on our town? We share, kind of fans, no? Because sometimes it's not easy for us to come and watch your game and then you lose, or expect big from you and then you seems to disappoint us. The whole lot of. I don't know if we should be in terms of fans and who cut town there. I don't know if we should be there.
Yeah, and the person was born there. The more born there, the more we have challenges near there. Fans need there. Make a sanity because almost just say what we lose. Baby, phobia to face okodi baby ni matter okodi no ba no lose. It's very bad.
And I am feel say one kasa mu lose mu feel say
it's also I ya used to it. But matches be what you say match we dey say me lose na lose yeah but no say because of that anything no so beto aso I just say supporters no go kroma beti one qualified there but yeah it me pushing am
right Kofi at a certain point of time over talk of town almost everyone was talking about you. Yeah, Kofi is good, Kofi is scoring goals, Kofi is what is answer and how does it make you feel as a player?
Oh, me this had boosting me more on say me to me I working more because you see I know now I can phone no I do better phone. They say when put you apart to be a star no it's very easy but to maintain a stardom no that's where the problem lies. So me kind of say it motivating me to work harder.
Right, yeah, share this Ayera league one last game to go. And it's nice to see we all praise and liberty and Chedra and Uncle Lusu. Like it was very unfortunate they won their game. To us it was very unfortunate. But the money I mean it's a good thing for them. See, this is a very drew the coffee. To you as a player of Kotokura House, do you think there is any sort of vim in a team? I bet him their co-premier.
Yeah, like I say, we are 100% prepared. Say bet me winning some match, you know. Because looking at where we are right now, no dear, any option we have to win that game. And it is for us players, you know, is to make history. Say a qualified team, you know, and is to sell the town also. Until we bet now 5 years now. We fear time so be fear now have shanko fie.
Okay.
And I go to go no then. Yeah.
Right. It is last 2 weeks sports stadium the crowd it was massive. One started first half.
Yeah.
So obviously we bench you know. Now with noise in the way you now we feel the same.
Me personally I'm used to it. Because I bought baby I won't say I voice near the idea. That's it. But yeah, OT bench na also what you game no so. Tina adwene wo game no so. But supporters in there na enim so mutimi abasa. But na ye enim say at all cost no be bonu ko wi ne de. E be win. So na ye helpful say e be win so much no.
Win beba.
Yeah.
Right. I think it's the last season or something. You were the top goal scorer, right?
Man of the match.
Yes, because Anopena AJ, one of our sports guy, was telling me say, "Who at Kotokura say you've been winning man of the match consistently. Like Charlie, then I all this shit game with the man, you know. It seems every match we are winning man of the match."
Yeah, 20, you know. And before every game, you know, how you plan your game, you know, and then you just have that luck that day. But but sometimes you know, say uko game, you know, say who determine say this is what I want to do. And yes, I could of the match, but to help the team.
Right. See, because of time, like a lot of questions I want to ask you, but because of time, maybe our listeners and so I'm very sure they would want to ask you certain questions and all. Sure. But COVID Steven Kotokura house, you qualify, and one of them said you guys are hopeful of qualifying to the Premier team.
Yeah.
What happens if Manusi Suminazo it doesn't happen as you expected?
We'll be very disappointed, say, ain't me unqualified because last year, buy him, and I young say too good yet. You do baby, now I say, I'm not getting behind, but this year, any excuse be I say, with my say unqualify. But Uncle Yensu dear, and I mean, this uncle ye. We have everything. We were players, they were technical men, we were support new baby, like. Even this recent match, Pam. The support was massive.
Carry to Jami.
Yeah, Etuja.
Ashimiu.
If you also me na me said uncle supporting him. But me pray that me feel me bad on and I me hospital. Me too many share. Let me say, hey, can't near the day. But I like,
it was massive. So, all right. So let's talk about the injury.
Yeah.
Who feels I think first half, right?
Yeah, 27 minutes.
27 minutes now, film. And me, sure say you were very determined for this game. It will probably who feel say.
Say I say, Oba we be na. I say I didn't want to mean you. Oba feel bad. Nim say me for more bench na more parking so be ejuma no.
It uti go no at the hospital.
Tell me take na me
yeah. How was it manesi? I don't pay. Someone was telling me we should also arrange for macho. I said no problem. Like we wanted you guys to come, like Mumi and Mas. No, I need to have special treat for both of you.
Yeah.
They need special treatment. So we are trying also to get macho because people are saying the guy has been very consistent when it comes to the team. What's your opinion on macho?
Macho, a great leader. Because me buy not on our captain team na. So now, and like I say, last season and this season, he has been very consistent when it comes to saving the team, talking to us, motivating us. He has been a great leader. Very, 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 very great.
And you've never, in a way, like any day, regretted being under him.
Never. Maybe I say yeah, grow. I can say maybe I told you before one here and there, but it doesn't. Say on your yard, he's very good. He's very, very, and we'll be able to testify to that.
Right. So, Kofi, when you're not starting a game, who feels saying as a star player or as someone every fan looks, to see you on a pitch and you won't start it? How do you feel?
Starting before the game, the coaches approach us and talk to us. Make us say, me a star player or whatever. Maybe people might think, but you're also you have about 28 players. So if they meet me, I will be with me. So sometimes I also give you the chance to also show the reason why he is here. If don't remember, I make us everything. 28 matches now, 30 matches now, So yeah, so me and I feel bad, but I mean, say because I have to do something. Like I say me change the game. I say me ma nkunimdi na BBC eba.
Right, obviously, Kofi speaks very well. Ask him about his educational background. Oh, come on. So, he speaks very well. So, I think the person wants to know your educational background. Are you cool with it, Anna?
Let's keep here now. Yes.
Okay. I think when you're on the question, you also shortcut you might try ready. You say question. Those who predict ODI fridge, they all lose expect one. So Kofi Steven, please this Sunday score for guys to win. Okay. I think it's 4 predictions are ODI fridge now. Then lose you until really yesterday. Okay, I think it's 4 can say we go.
Okay.
Nanka win fridge.
Oh, no man can in them.
And Alpha, it's ready yesterday was a shama and your boys.
Oh, Massa, over you fridge.
Okay, so there's a message here. This one says, this guy is a fantastic player, but people says Nakuma. Is it true?
Makuma heading.
How?
Oh, And then if I know me. Yeah, I'm very jovial.
Wow, really. Me say listeners Mombra movie. Kofi Steven is here. Nyankopon Adwuma next week. Ye call tema. Ye Charlie this Palmer issue. So what dinner? Kofi I will see what you say. Hey, next week any tema Utah. Do you shake?
Debbie, because looking at players now you want. Say number first round, you show me 2-0. So you should say na the Ecoda strong here. You be an we are Palmer, we are Hwan. Say Palmer no movie.
Sisia unim. Automatically he's out of the competition now.
He has to decide who have to qualify.
You see, but
about someone no movie.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So,
exactly. Charlie, I love your confidence, Charlie. I'm not gonna lie you. I love your confidence. I'm not gonna lie you at all. Also, on Bobo Nibi, Palmer on Bobo Nibi. But also betting your friend 0554-820910. Kofi Steven the Maestro. Maestro. What is Maestro? I didn't know Maestro.
Maestro. I say me basically be our yard. Yeah. Oh, bibi. But I would say Canada side in the morning.
Okay. Mami fa call me, bra. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa chef Rosa Casa free.
Motion.
Yeah. Right, Motion Kofi Steven with you.
Kofi Steven a fine player or yard in Ghana. The Shani Jimmy Pound Stadium and Gasana Moto. I'm going to Empire 1 standing on what there. I'm winning not any and I'm winning.
Right, now I'm also Nanya Oko 0554-820910. Hello, good morning, Frost Casa free. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa Kofi Steven with you, Kotokuras player. You didn't go.
Yes, I'm a brother.
It's you.
Yeah, but near a very end, now, Kotokuras near them. I qualify. I'm about Premier. Was a wood another on your TV, on your phone. Captain Mark can sing. What is the Omurinia? Omless studio on Magic 5. I have 5,000. I hope I want 2,000.
Yeah, Mati.
And Omuri now dancing at the end. And one, so next week or Anna, and I'm about them.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have the support.
Right. Yes, that was a part. People trouble fella more motivated team because at this point they hear no motivation. In fact, we need to win. Your first work as a friend. Hey, piao. Never trouble with you. I do.
I'm man for you know, so would and I send a food, you know, when you about to pay of young Chinese would choose
Kofi Steven Sofia.
You, champion,
boss.
I'm going here.
I'm not the moon.
But the group for it, Mamma, you're feeling proud of dread. We can, one party, Yamin can't to cool on players, no. Then I'm what Sunday would be now. I'm kind of vim. Yeah, name to my youth for any uncle Matthew or 4-0. No moon say yes. Or my master's 9 years. By a vampire mamma so. The Dia the Tamoti. Lie, Dia the Tamoti. And you know, Sunday, the Miami himself for no Martin. And the museum will be in the morning. I mean, call.
Amen. Come on. Amen. Yeah, that's a pan. Motivation should be here. Or call 0554-820910. Your first work as a friend.
But I'm in the upper Saturday and Cassandra.
I come back to you.
Me, could be an enemy born crab account. I feel you could to if Pierre and Chase was an answer man copaka and ye. Last Sunday, me count him your cop and problem. No question in the West in the yard. Now, maybe predecessor said, you will call your quota my huge Malam go 1 nail and a bear ship armor. Oh, true. Because Professor will be over Bopa. The car and our fan. Almost 1,000 all the time in our so I'm finding me and you next month. All the time, you are no vampire instead of right because how much money or how the view, the Miss Mitchell Yakachana.
Right, yes, so yeah, that's we about also betting your friend 0554820910 and a Vodafone 0201944485 0201944485 with me, friend. My main kind message you Doris Equia Safua JB. Right, see that it is a Mrs. I mean, I see you. I see your message. I see your message. Doris Equia Safua JB, Mrs. Anopenya Kuponsha no on your case. Ankoma Ofori Ata Emmanuel says Kofi. Stephen Kofi Maestro, keep it up, bro. You will surely get there. Mark DK, what is it? Boche, okay, Boche, right? Or this is Stephen Kofi Maestro following live, okay. And Nana consider says Odonjo, Nana consider was him. Yeniabre, yeah, can football. That would also the cacra. This side, let me check the page, Ahenkan FM official page, and see messages. Shall we check on WhatsApp too for me and let me see messages ever. Right, so we have just about 8 more minutes to leave the studios. Kofi, sisi ana yenya bra ye bobo empire say obi class 4 goals and we be say also give this goals and like predict goals are who feel say we mind and hard.
Meant me predict goals more, but victory that meant me catch one say be win
for sure. For sure. I love confidence people. I won't tell you like I love confidence. I like see obi a oji no hu di bia no. Me ni pass no me no nampa. Ben Bote says Star Boy. This is on our page on Facebook. Frank and so say every happy birthday and Tactics Man is a good workout. My fa call we na hwa de. Your first work as a free.
We all shapas.
All shapas.
Taxi driver.
Oshapa said that's it.
We me say kutukun crying. Me so obi be say born me say that. By because of one of two reasons. Because a bar and you could find you see I'm on the flat again. It's all the time.
Right. Much in the baby ni chrome have pa. Because you say you has a full call as he near there. But say on Bahanum, so I bet you my shop. Did they create bed disturb woman cry? How do you say?
Hassan, aye. So Beji. At the airport too. Also about Beji, your friends work as a free.
But they are from my family.
I got it you.
And when the general captain man to say, "Oh, we have 5,000 Ghana."
Yes. Indra no account the shoots here.
And the one to most of them money free bar. Said, "Oh, there be money free bar. I will be a woman." It is a dear that's simple for no more job with my father. Modina call by Lemiana. Support and a very much among the come to me.
Right, yes, so yeah, that's it. And what is our news? And say Captain Smanson.
Yeah.
What is I am feeling say in Penifo are getting themselves involved in Kotokura. How do you feel? The rise of my director Udia Ahenkan, Achimodan MP, Honorable Kusiakwa. I think some Kwanta. There are a lot of people in Penifo Mudom Hashim. I am feeling say.
I say, Basa, you feel for like who feel so proud say I say effort now put it up near Swaba. So yeah, if you proud pan.
Well, Kofi, yeah, call a kind of 5 minutes. I want you to promise us and I want you to give us your final essay. And Kopanya Sunday, you guys can't fail us.
First of all, me big boss back. Caleb yes Lord.
Okay, yes Lord.
Me permitting catch. Me back friend because
Caleb show ba many no maybe Caleb penampa so nim nam. Enya nam near you no.
Namben.
O penampa.
Namben no.
Ola ngaso ti ase.
O ti ase. Etim say we catch.
O catch. Busa say be see that no penampa. There ono nampa no pe.
Okay, me China and pay. Supporters no. This our job. And then say baby wini. Say I have do say nya do. Yen hwemu ho. And then say ye wini na the premiership na ba oda ha. Nti yesro mo ntage no support yen no bon pan man. Ehia mo pan. Ehia mo kan wa yi ni o. qualify.
Right, so this is Kofi Steve in the Maestro. So that's a plan for our invitation. BBN so I better travel to. I don't know so more than.
Oh, big boss, big boss, my cow. Visha Junction. I saw him.
Citizens so
Visha Junction.
All right, so that was Kofi Steven. Alright, so we heard from Kofi Steven.
It's all about realities of life, you know.
Kotokurea's player. In fact, I love the confidence from these players. So last week when Lukaku was here, he promised us and he gave us his word, they will win the game. And Kofi is here today. He has also promised Adwuma Sunday game. Adeba me forward this interview. He say, "Enya Pama na bebo ball no." It's Kofi through say na Pama enya Pama na bebo ball no. Any players, it's a bupo you be cure for us. Kofi. Music from Kako Bonde. Your friend me Jenny me champion boy think as well. My first like I say call Emma the communications director of the Korea House Okatechi Efrifa.